Hey, I'm Fish, your how-to guy. Here we have is a metal detector, and what we're going to do is open it up, show you what you get inside. We have an instruction guide that you can go over and read to understand your metal detector better. You have the control display board right over here that will accept the batteries that you open up in the back. It will take two 9 volts. You have a headset so you can listen real close and clear of the sound and depth of your sonar. You have your shovel scraper that has all these holes, so when you dig up, you can loosen the sand, and the handle that easily goes on by sliding up. Locks into place real hard. You're given a foldable shovel in a nice carrying bag and a strap that you can put around your belt, and it lifts up to be a shovel and tightens up. A nice large carrying bag and a strap inside that goes on the back. You have the wand that opens up that you're going to adjust correctly, so when you do go back and forth, you're not on an angle and you're not up like so, you're flat and parallel to the floor. This whole bottom part is waterproof and adjustable. You're given the arm, and you're going to have to figure out how this attaches to the unit, if it goes on this particular way or this way, and you're going to read the instructions on how to install. This is the way it goes. There's a little knob that you're going to loosen, and you're going to slide in, and you're going to lock down like so. This is very adjustable. On the bottom over here, you simply loosen up. It will come off, so this way be careful. You adjust it to the angle you want. And then the bottom one here will adjust as well by doing the same. Just simply take your time. And then this part over here will adjust as well, so you can have a nice, long metal detector. In order to get the light to work, you long press. You have a negative, a positive, as it scrolls down to each of the symbols. You have modes, memory, jewelry, AIM, DISC, notch, memory. You have a volume, low, medium, and high. You have sensitivity. You have PP. And you can increase and decrease your levels. When you're all done, shut the unit off. Leaving the light on may consume a little bit more power. Using different features and functions may use more power. To install, simply match up, slide on, go downward. Over here there is a knob that's going to lock into place. And plug in all your cables by finding the corresponding spots. And for the headsets, you're going to look and plug that in as well. The plug is on the adjacent side right over here. And on the headset you have a volume up and a volume down. Read the instructions on how to use your metal detector and give it a little practice, and you should do good. I am 6 feet tall. I am very comfortable using this metal detector, and it's adjusted to my height. We have the metal detector. We're going to expand the arm. Going to make sure that we open it up correctly. And we're going to make sure that this is the right way. And I put a coin by the shell. Oh, there's something right about here. As we just go and go right by the shell, there's a coin.